We have given equation of a line and a point, and we have to check if this point is on the line y equals -1/2 x plus 3. We know that first coordinate of point B is x and the second is y. So we can write that x is equal -2 and y is equal 4. Now we use substitution method to check if this point is on this line. So we have to copy equation of our line y is equal -1/2 x plus 3. Next we will substitute x by -2 and y by 4. So we have 4 is equal -1/2 times -2, we will put in parentheses, plus 3. So we have 4 is equal, negative times negative give me positive. So, and because we have multiplication, so we can reduce 2 and 2, so it will be 1, positive 1, like I said, because negative times negative give me positive, and we have plus 3. So on the left side we have 4, and on the right 1 plus 3 is 4. Left side is equal right side. It means that point B is on the line y equals -1/2 x plus 3. We can write point B is on the line This is my solution.